Howdy players, Pawpaw here. Thought I might show you another one of Pawpaw's southern favorites, since my daughter brought me some I told her, I said, don't wait till they turn red. Oh, she growed that herself. Ain't that pretty? Look at that. I said, bring me a couple of green ones. I'm going to do something. What you going to do? Fried green tomatoes. So, I'm going to do one in real time. Here I go. Just reset your camera right here. It won't take long to make fried green tomatoes. Am I getting it? Well, we got to press it first. Alright. Thought I might try something weird and different today. Here's what we're going to do. I done washed it. Now I'm going to slice it. You're going to see the entire thing done here. Alright, there you go. Now we got the sliced tomato. Take Lowry's seasoned salt. Lowry's seasoned salt. Put that over. Just like that. That's easy enough. Alright. Now we got to coat them. We done seasoned them, now we're going to coat them. About that much New Orleans style fish fry from Louisiana Fish Fry. And great values flared breadcrumbs. About the same equal amount. Shake them up. Just like that. Got enough fire on. Set that down on there. There was a piece of bacon cooked on this thing earlier today for lunch. So that's going to flavor it. And this is some canola oil in here. Alright. See what kind of temperature we got. 198, 203. The battery must be running dead on this thing. $230, $241. You can see a laser light on this, but I think somebody's been monkeying with it. $285. That's all you gotta do. Just fry it like you would a fish. That one's a little thick right there. But I'm gonna still cook it the same time I cook. You can also do eggplant this way. Same recipe, just to use the eggplant. And peel the eggplant. I see these people, these unpeeled eggs. Man, peel the eggplant. Nobody eat no raw eggplant, no eggplant that's got the peeling on it. Damn. That must be a Yankee idea. That's not an Alabama idea. We peel our shit right here. But you didn't peel the tomato, J.W. Alright. Then we'll let it cook real calm. Alright, I moved them off the fire onto the top of the pot there. I'm going to let them sit there and sizzling on. They'll cool on off on their own. And when they do, they'll be just right. They'll be about, I might let them sit there about 10 minutes. Maybe longer. And they'll cook on through. Now I've got the pan tilted slightly to where these aren't sitting in oil anymore. The oil's draining down at the base. And they're just sitting there getting a nice grill on. Alright, now I've taken them off the frying pan. They're all done now. And then I'm going to just drain them on paper towel. Alright, so I got two pieces of toast, 2 pieces of bread making some toast. I got some mayonnaise, sweet pickle relish, and sambal olive. I don't want to burn myself up. I did get about a half tablespoon of that. Make me a remoulade. Now that sambal is not hot. It's that sriracha bile, long shot. It won't burn y'all up. It's mild peppers. Just the right blend of peppers. Don't need no salt, no pepper, no nothing. That's just going to be what we're going to put on the toast. Man, you know what? Now, there's something else I'm going to do. Alright. Here's our fried green tomatoes. You see much stuff going on? Ain't a lot of grease coming off of here. Like that. Pat that thing up like that. That other one like that right there. Now, that's our tomatoes. Didn't get a chance to do this the other night because I was getting so interrupted. I did a tilapia fish on the grill, which was excelente, but people kept going in and out and all this and that. I said, what the hell? I'll just make me a dang fried green tomato sandwich. Yeah. Look at that. There you go, Chris. Fried green tomato sandwich, Bubba. Try her out. I'll put you on it. Facebook eating it. Chris says he won't. You don't want to have nothing to do with that. You don't know what you're missing, son? Yes, sir. How you like me now? Let's give her a taste test, shall we? Turn that thing, the camera around here. Y'all can see me. bright green tomato Sammich. And I hell, I ain't like me now. The tomato takes on a texture of its own when it's been fried and breaded like that fish. And that sauce I put on it's off the chart. The two combined, spectacular and light. Good cracker. Later, guys. Love y'all. Mean it. Paw out.